Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you my modded out HP 690 0024. I'm going to show you all the upgrades I've done on it, and yeah, we're just going to go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so as we take a look inside, I upgraded the PSU to a 500 watt. It was 400 before. Upgraded it to the HP 500 watt. I added the Asus GeForce RTX 2060, the Phoenix edition. So it's a small single fan 2060. I upgraded the CPU fan to the Noctua 90mm CPU fan, or CPU cooler, and also added the 90mm Noctua back fan. I also took out the optical drive and I added a 1TB 2.5-inch SSD in there. I just double-sided sticky taped it. It all went together pretty good. I'll go ahead and take this off too so I can show you a little better. I also upgraded the RAM to 16 gig, the Vengeance LPX RAM, so I'll go ahead and show you that right now. Alright, so as you can see inside now, I just got my SSD right there where the DVD writer used to be. Let me see if I can get it focused. So the DVD drive used to be right there. I just pulled that out and I put the SSD in there. And then we got the 16 gig LPX Vengeance RAM right there. And yeah, this is all how it looks. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually taking it all out of here. I'm taking the GPU, the RAM, and the CPU. I upgraded the CPU to a Ryzen 5 2600, so I'm going to be taking that out. I'm going to leave the fan, leave that fan, and leave the power supply. I'm also taking out the M.2, so I'll be doing a fresh install of the M.2 on my new PC. So I'm taking the M.2, the RAM, the CPU, the GPU, and the 2 hard drives, and those are all going into the new build. I got this right here. That's the new motherboard I'm using, Asus Aorus B450. I'm using the Arctic Freeze Esports Duo 34. I got the new 750 watt power supply and two 140 millimeter white LEDs. This is the case I got. This is the Fractal G case. It has two 120mm fans in the front. I'm going to move those to the back and put the 140s up front. Yeah, but so far this PC has done me good. It's ran VR. I run Assetto Corsa, and I've been running X-Plane 11 in VR easily, holding 30 frames on high settings. So really happy with it, but I just want better air cooling because it gets really hot in this case since it only has just the one exhaust fan. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. I'm also going to be selling some of these parts, so if you watch this within the next 2-3 months and they haven't been sold, send me a message or a comment and we'll try to get that worked out. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.